In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to invite a guest to Monday.com. So let's dive into this process to ensure you can collaborate effectively with your team, especially when working on projects with external contributors. First, we're going to start by navigating to your desired board within Monday.com. This is where you'll be inviting your guest, so it's important to ensure you're on the correct board where their input or collaboration is required. Make sure you can locate your board easily and that it's the one you wish to share with the guest. Next, it's crucial to verify that the board you're working on is a shareable board. A shareable board is designed to allow guest access, giving people outside your organization the ability to view and collaborate on it. To check this, look for the board settings or options and ensure that it indicates shareability. If it's not already shareable, usually there's an option to convert or configure it as such, facilitating the invitation process. Once you have confirmed the board is shareable, you'll want to find and click on the Invite button. The location of this button may vary depending on the interface updates, but usually it's prominently displayed on the board's header or sidebar, so keep an eye out for that. Clicking this will open up the invitation section where you can manage the details of who can access the board. Now you're ready to enter the email addresses of the guests you wish to invite. Simply type in the email address of each guest. Remember that accuracy is important here as you want to ensure your invite reaches the correct person. You can often add multiple email addresses separated by commas if you are inviting several guests. Before finalizing the invitation, you have the option to include a personalized message alongside your invite. This is a great opportunity to provide context, highlight the purpose of the board, or simply add a welcoming note to make the guests feel valued and informed about their role or us of the board. Consider mentioning critical deadlines, the areas where their input is required, or simply a friendly welcome to the project. Lastly, make sure to review everything before sending. Look over the email addresses and your message, ensuring everything is correct and conveys the intended information. Once you're satisfied, hit the Send Invite button to dispatch your invitation. Providing guests with access might take a few moments depending on their network connection, but afterward, they should have access to your board just like team members do. And that's it. You've successfully invited a guest to Monday.com. Remember, inviting guests to your boards can greatly enhance your workflow by incorporating outside expertise and perspectives. So keep this tool in mind for future projects. Thanks for watching, and see you next time.